Have you ever wondered about the safety of your property? Sometimes, you thinking on getting an insurance but you did not know what kind of coverage they will offer to you. Now, you don't have to worry because, at Beskitel Insurance, we will offer you a great insurance plans that you cannot reject it. The insurance plans that are available in Beskitel Insurance is travel insurance, burglary insurance, personal accident insurance and pension insurance. Going on holiday, don't forget your traveling insurance. With Beskitel Insurance, you will get the most complete insurance package you can afford. Travel insurance is an insurance that cover the traveler cost and damages that happen when traveling. It is very useful for person who love traveling. Medical emergency for overseas will immediately cover any emergency that occurs when traveling. Also, you will receive an allowance if you stay in the hospital for more than 3 days. Medical treatment for overseas will give you a cover on medical treatment that relate to any injury or illness that happened during traveling. Next is the accommodation and transportation expenses. The accommodation will be provided, and if the transportation is needed for a medical, it will be covered by insurance. If any emergency situations, like death among relatives, you will be compensated for accidental travel expenses. We will make sure that you have reached your hometown and make sure that everything has been protected. For fraud and replacement of credit card, if the cards are misplaced or stolen on your journey, you will be reimbursed for any expenses occur of replacing it, or for a fraudulent use. Then, for a delay of journey, if the airline suddenly cancel their trip, travel insurance will cover your accommodation and new date and time for flight to go back to your travel destination or hometown destination. If you lost an important documents or personal belonging has been stolen, you will be refunded for all of the expenses that involved with the personal possession by replacement of your visa, travel documents or travel records and baggage loss during the journey. For personal liability, we will cover any personal liabilities or legal costs on lawsuit that happen during your journey. If you rent any vehicle when traveling, we will cover the excess rental of the vehicle, if it's stolen or crashed. Now, let's talk about burglary insurance. Burglary insurance offer an additional layer of security to your property, for example, your home, office and factory against burglary and housebreaking. It also does not protect objects stolen from a safe by acquiring a duplicate key unless any threat of aggression is involving. It's provide insurance for damages or misfortune caused to your property as well as its contents, under the following situations. In burglary insurance, we offers protection against any damage caused to your property as a result of attempted or real housebreaking or burglary. For business premises, it covers the damage caused within your business premises to goods, furniture and belongings. Also, even if the amount promised is insufficient, the plan will pay for the necessary damages or misfortune. With Beskitel, you will give an option to expand your coverage on other things such as jewelry, fraud and many more. What would happen if you had an accident and couldn't walk for some time? Can you pay all your bills and meet needs? Don't worry, personal accident insurance have solutions. This insurance plan provide financial support and protection on sudden or unforeseen accident that result to loss of income or reimburse the medical expenses incurred. This policy is based on policyholders' insured occupation. Mostly, the risk is related to occupation and hobbies. If accidental death happened to the insured, a lump sum payment will be paid. Also, the payment for the insurance will be different based on classification of disability. For permanent total disablement, which mean the disability is irrecoverable, the benefit is equal to the amount insured. While for permanent partial disability, the benefit will be calculated on the proportion of the impairment which will be specified in the plan. And for temporary total disablement, the payment takes place on an every week. Now, let's move to pension insurance. Pension insurance is provided by the state and society according to the regulations, and it also provides some pension paid after they lose their job. It is to protect the basic living needs of the elderly and provide them in the future. The benefits of pension insurance for employees is that it can reduce management costs, increase savings by deducting wages, save taxes immediately, also avoid tax accumulation of investment amount. Other than that, this insurance will help employees to reach out to leading investment managers, investment solutions for everyone and employer matching. The benefits for employer is that it can maintain the productivity after retirement, cultivate employee retention and attractiveness, can maximize the tax effectiveness of salary, also provide a simple management. For more information, you can contact us at 04-711-8823 or 8824. You can visit our website at www.beskitelins.com.